In this video, I will show you how to send money from Australia to Bangladesh. To do this, I would use Remitly since it is the fastest and cheapest way that I have found. So you can just go to remitly.com or download the app. From there, you're just going to set your country right here to Australia and set the country you're sending to Bangladesh. Then from there, scroll down a bit until you see the exchange rate, and from there, click on Get This Rate. Now here, if you don't have an account yet, simply click on Sign Up right there. If you already have an account, you can sign in. So then click on Send Money. And then here in the overview, you can go and enter how much you want to send. For me, it's in euro and the Dutch flag. Because I'm Dutch, for you it will be the Australian dollar and Australian flag. These steps are the exact same. So just enter how much you want to send and click Continue. From there, choose the delivery method. They have mobile money, bank deposit, or cash pickup. I'll go with mobile money. From there, just select their wallet or bank they use, and then just enter any details that they ask for, usually their first name and last name, and then the details for actually delivering the money. After doing that, you can enter their phone number, and this is necessary if you select mobile wallet, because then the phone number will be connected to their wallet. But for a bank account, for example, you would just need to enter their bank details. Now, after doing that, you can choose how you want to pay for the transfer and then click Continue. And then you'll get to an overview. Here, just make sure all the details are correct, and you can also see how long it will take. So in this case, the delivery within 10 minutes. Now, if it's correct, just going to pay for the transfer, and then the money will be on its way to your recipient in Bangladesh. So now you know how to send money from Australia to Bangladesh. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.